Boil. Boil the potatoes until they are soft. Fry. Fry the eggs in a little oil. Bake. Bake the cake for 30 minutes. Roast. Roast the chicken until golden brown. Grill. Grill the fish on both sides. Steam. Steam the vegetables to keep their color. Simmer. Simmer the soup for 15 minutes. Chop. Chop the onions finely. Slice. Slice the bread evenly. Mix. Mix the sugar and butter together. Stir. Stir the sauce gently. Beat. Beat the eggs until fluffy. Whisk. Whisk the cream until it thickens. Blend. Blend all the fruits into a smoothie. Peel. Peel the apples before cooking. Mash. Mash the potatoes with butter. Grate. Grate the cheese over the pasta. Pour. Pour the milk into the bowl. Spread. Spread jam on the bread. Season. Season the soup with salt and pepper. Taste. Taste the curry before serving. Add. Add some sugar to the tea. Knead. Knead the dough for 5 minutes. Melt. Melt the chocolate slowly. Cool. Cool the cake before cutting. Freeze. Freeze the leftovers for later. Defrost. Defrost the meat before cooking. Drain. Drain the pasta in a colander. Serve. Serve the meal hot. Carve. Carve the turkey carefully. Sauté. Sauté the onions until soft. Broil. Broil the steak for 10 minutes. Toast. Toast the bread lightly. Skewer. Skewer the meat and vegetables. Marinate. Marinate the chicken overnight. Roll. Roll the dough into a flat circle. Stuff. Stuff the peppers with rice. Garnish. Garnish the dish with coriander. Measure. Measure the flour accurately. Sprinkle. Sprinkle cheese on top of the pizza.